Second thing we need to set up is the location. First, we need to enter the name. For example, if we have 2 or 3 locations. If you are only selling products for delivery, you actually don't need to provide a very detailed address. You might just need to enter Liverpool or London. However, if you are a physical shop or a place that provides services, providing a correct address makes it easier for people to find you using our search function. If you don't want your highly detailed address to be publicly shown, keep that in mind. But if you provide services, I suggest you display the address. If you are only selling products, you might not need to show a full, detailed address.
Next, you will see a map location section. When you enter your exact address, Google Maps will be able to pinpoint your location. This helps our system when customers are using the search function to find you. Key points of the translation: service versus delivery. The speaker distinguishes between businesses that ship goods, broad location, and those that offer on-site services, specific address. Searchability. Providing an accurate address is framed as a tool for SEO and customer discovery. Google Maps integration. Entering the address allows the system to drop a pin for better visual navigation.